Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss, and you?
Okay, Miss, fine, thank you. Today we will learn about tangent line of circle. But before that, Miss wanna ask to you guys, who is absent today?
Nobody, Miss.
Okay, nobody. Okay, please the chairman, please lead the dua for our starting of class today. Okay, because we already learned about circle in the last week, so today we will learn about tangent line. So students, here let's see it in the whiteboard here. Here is the recycle chain. The recycle chain is implement the tangent line of two circles principle. So, to you guys, can you find another example of tangent line of two circles except this picture? Okay, Nina, what is the another example of the tangent line of two circles?
Kincir angin, Miss.
Okay, that's right, Dina, kincir angin. Give applause to Dina. Okay, we already know the example of tangent line of two circles in daily life, such as, for example, this bicycle change and kincir angin, as Dina said before. Miss wanna complete to you guys the learning objective for this meeting. We will learn about first. We learn about the properties of tangent line of two circles, and the second we will find the formula of tangent line of two circles in inner and outer fellowship. So we can directly into the main of. Students, please have the idea about this learning today. So here, so students, what do you see in this picture? Okay, Lisa, please.
The picture is a circle with the point A and B, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Dina. And do you have another opinion, students?
Setia, Miss.
Okay, come on, Setia.
Okay, because there are two center point, I mean that there are two circle in here, Miss.
Okay, the answer from Setia is right. Here, there are actually in this picture there are two circles, but circle A and B, the distance between them is 0. If Miss add the distance between A and B, we can see here the distance. We can see there are two circles actually, and we can find the line G. So line G is the tangent line. Okay, students. So line G is the tangent line of two circles, and a line H we know it as the point of tangency, or in Indonesia titik singgung, and D also the point of tangency atau titik singgung. So if the distance between A and D is F, then the distance the tangent point of circle A and B is the line between point H and D, which we call as point G. So, can you find the tangent line of the circle? The line of the tangent line of the circle, if we already know the distance between A and B is equal 3.
Okay, Miss. In my opinion, we can find the line of line G because the distance between the circle of A and B is 3. We can find the length of line G. The length of line G will stand with the distance of the two circle. So line G is equal to 3, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Sia, for the opinion. So students, how about your opinion? Is Satya's answer is correct?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's correct, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the tangent line of this picture is equal with the distance between A and B because the line F and line G is parallel where the radius of point A is 1 and radius of point B is 1. So we can conclude that if tangent line of circle is the tangent line of circle is equal to the distance between two circles if the radius of two circles is distance. If we add the radius of A into 2, so is the length of F and G is equal?
No, Miss.
Why?
Because they are not parallel. Okay.
Okay. The length of F and G is not equal if the radius of A and B is not same. So because the radius of A and B is not equal, so that the length of F and G is not equal, so we implement the formula of outer fellowship of two circle formula. So in this learning, we will find the formula of tangent line of two circles of outer and inner fellowship. In this picture, is the picture of, and the line G is the tangent line of outer fellowship of two circles. We'll give you student worksheet and I will divide you into several groups. So you can find the definition, properties, and formula of the outer and inner fellowship of two circles. So yes, group 1.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. And this is for group 2.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. You guys can start to fix the LKPD right now. You can use your textbook or Google or our GeoGebra to find the concept or other stuff. So yeah, let's go on.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, students, you may start to answer the question from your student worksheet for 40 minutes. After that, you will present it in front of the class, okay? Okay. Did you guys find any difficulties?
No, Miss.
Okay. It's over. So, who's the volunteer of your group wanna present it in front of the class? Group 2, Miss. Okay, come on, Ina. Okay, Ina is from group 2. Will as the volunteer of group 2 will present about the properties of tangent line. So before that, I just wanna ask to Dina, in your group discussion, can you conclude what is the definition of tangent line of circle?
Okay, Miss. The definition of tangent line of circle is a tangent line in geometry is defined as a line that intersects a circle at one point.
Okay.
The point where the tangent line is intersect, the circle is called a point of tendency. So the point A is point of tendency.
Okay, that's correct, yes, students. So the definition of tangent line is a line that intersects a circle in one point, and the point where the tangent line intersects the circle is called the point of tendency. And you guys can see the picture here. So this one I asked to Dina. There's a picture of three circles. So the first circle is do you find any difference between line 3 L and M? What is the difference?
Okay, Miss, I will answer the question. For the first picture, you can see that the line K doesn't intersect the circle at any point.
Yeah.
For the second picture, we can see that the line intersect the circle at one point. The point is A. And the third picture, you can see that the line intersect the circle at one point. The point is B and C.
Okay, that's correct, Dina.
Okay, I'm from group 2. We can present my presentation about the properties of tangent line of a circle. For the first properties is the tangent line of a circle is perpendicular to the diameter of the circle, who is tangent point. Or you can see that of the pictures, the tangent line perpendicular with the diameter in tangent point M and the tangent point N. And the second is through a point on a circle can be constructed one or more tangent line of the circle. You can see from the pictures there is we can make or construct one or more tangent line from the point at circle. Okay, next the third property is throw a point outside the circle. You can see that from the pictures, the point outside the circle is AB, can be formed two tangent line. The list is two tangent line. And the fourth is if two tangents intersected at the point outside the circle, then the distance between the point of intersection at the points of tangent C are same. You can see from the pictures, this is a point outside the circle, and the distance between the point of intersection and the point of tangent is outside. Maybe that's all from me. Maybe for my explanation I mistake. I'm sorry, and thank you for the attention.
Okay, we are from group 1. The question about determine the length of the line of inner velocity of the circle. In here, the outer circle is near circle M and circle N. With the radius of circle M is capital F and the radius of circle N is capital small m. In here, there are the two lines to the line AB. The radius of the big circle R and the radius of the small circle R. It can be known that the formula of the line of inner velocity of the circle is ON is equal to square root of mn square minus mo square. With mo is r plus l big R plus small l square. So, we can find ON is equal to square root of P square minus R plus R square. Okay, for the next picture is the tangent line of outer velocity of the circle. This is the tangent line. We can find the length of tangent line AD. We find the triangle in here. For find the triangle, we can make the translation of line AD ke bawah. So, we can find new line. The velocity of the circle is ON is equal to square root of M square minus M square. Because ON is L is equal to, because why ON is equal to I? Because ON is equal to AD. So, L is equal to square root of P square minus M minus L square. Okay, that's all from our group. I'm sorry if we are mistake. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Setia, for the explanation. The explanation from Setia is correct. So we can conclude that the formula of inner fellowship of tangent line of inner fellowship of the circle is ON equals square root of P square minus or capital plus small r square. And okay, students, you can see there are two circles of tangent line of outer fellowship of the circle. So who's going to be the first here to explain what is the difference between the two pictures here?
Miss. Miss.
Okay, Gina, come on.
Yes, I will go answer the question. We can see in the student worksheet, the line AB is translation to below. So that we can see that we can see that the line AB is translation to below. So that that can make the triangle O and F. Sedangkan in the diagram, we can see that the AB is translation ke atas. So that the triangle is so that we can see that is from the triangle H, B, and C.
Okay, thank you, Dina. It's correct.
Thank you.
Okay, students, the answer from Dina is correct. So we can find the formula of outer fellowship, tangent line of outer fellowship of the circle by translating the line AB to below, or we can translate the line AB, the distance between point A and B to up. So it's up to you to find which one you want to find. The learning today is already done. So are you happy with this learning today?
Yes, Miss.
So based on our learning activity since the beginning, we already know about the definition of tangent line of two circles, and we already know the properties, and we already know how to find the formula of outer and inner fellowship of the circles. So after the learning activity today, so we can conclude that the tangent line of two circles defined as a line that intersect the circle is
1 point, Miss.
okay. The point that intersect the circle O is called the
Point of tangency, Miss.
okay. And the formula of the tangent line of outer fellowship of two circles is like this, where L equals the square root of P square minus R capital minus small r square. So that's all. I think that's all for today's learning. Are you happy with this learning today?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So here in the third activity, we have several questions. You guys can solve the problem on homework for the next meeting. So I hope you will answer the question.
Okay.
So that's all from this. thank you. Sorry for my mistake, and thank you for your enthusiasm for this learning today. We close this learning with the Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, guys, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.